Hello everyone, in this video we will see Google Wallet versus Google Pay. What is the difference? Google Wallet was initially launched as a mobile payment service in 2011, primarily focused on sending and receiving money. It allowed users to store debit and credit card information securely, make peer-to-peer payments, and store loyalty cards and gift cards. Google Wallet was primarily used for personal payments between individuals for the making purchases at select merchants using the stored payment methods. Over time, Google transitioned Google Wallet's features into other services, including Google Pay. Google Pay evolved from Google Wallet and Android Pay, combining features from both services into a comprehensive payment and money management platform. Google Pay allows users to make contactless payment in stores using their smartphone, similar to Apple Pay and Samsung Pay. It facilitates online payments on websites and apps where Google Pay is supported, eliminating the need to enter card details manually. Google Pay supports peer-to-peer money transfers between users, allowing you to send and receive money directly from your bank account or linked cards. Google Pay integrates loyalty program, rewards, and offers, making it convenient to access and redeem discounts and incentives. Some versions of Google Pay also support bill payments and money management features, allowing users to pay bills and track expenses. Google Wallet primarily focused on money transfers and storing payment methods, while Google Pay expanded to include contactless payment, online purchases, and additional financial management features. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.